Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is Monday the 26th of June 2017. I hope you had a nice weekend and you're raring to go for more fun in the forex markets. We're going to take a look at the pound dollar today. Fundamentally, we know what's happening with this pair. You want to be buying US dollars, even though the dollar has had weak sentiment surrounding it for the last month or so. It doesn't detract from the fact that the dollar is the fundamentally strong currency pair out there. The pound, on the other hand, is fundamentally weak, and we're heading into our Brexit negotiations now, much anticipated. So the likelihood of continued uncertainty in the UK, plus geopolitically, from a political perspective, the UK itself is in a state of flux due to a hung parliament, but the Conservative government have the majority, but they don't have enough to form a government, and therefore they're having to go into business with the DUP, Northern Irish political party. However, that deal has not been done. The election was a couple of weeks ago now. Apparently they are asking of some fairly hefty figures in terms of investment in Northern Ireland, so that deal is yet to be struck. So again, just continued weakness as far as that's concerned. Geopolitically, the uncertainty surrounding Brexit continues. Obviously the same applies in Europe as well. So taking a look at the pound dollar this morning, looks like there's some dollar strength across the board, and I just want to highlight this area here. And this is obviously an area where you will have traders trading off these levels, going long, believing that the market will continue up. And if you just check out the market prior to this move, one of the most important things about understanding how markets end up trapping traders on the wrong side of them is the context of the market prior to the trap occurring. So if you have a look at this context, meaning what was the market doing prior to the trap, and if you look at the nature of these moves up, they get kind of more strong and vertical and large in nature as the price continues. And then what we have at the top edge, sorry for my hideous drawing, but you then get some profit taking that forms a level of resistance as it moves forward. A little bit more resistance at the level there. Sorry, I've made a botch of that drawing, but then it breaks up through the level, and then traders look to trade the retracement, and that's what they get. They get the bounce off that level. So interestingly, what they will do from there is they'll place stops under there, or place stops under this area here, being the most recent sort of big build-up of structure. Now, if you take that into consideration, then what we have is traders who went up long in here, believing it would follow through. They are now trapped. So let me just clear this up. Sorry for that mess that I made. So there's your level there. Okay, so there's a couple of things going on. Traders got drawn into that breakout at those highs as well. So breakout momentum traders went long. Retracement traders traded the pullback into prior resistance that now becomes support in their view, right? That's the very typical narrative that's spouted online and in the financial world. And then you've got stops under here as well. This is probably a 60% fib. Let me just have a look, just to add insult to injury from this original move. There you go. Look to there or thereabouts. So there you go, and look at how it reacted as well. You've got a bit of a level in there as well. Sorry, I missed that. A little bit of resistance. So comes in, breaks, comes back into the 61, and then it absolutely flies from there. Just think about the context of that. That candle, look at the wick. That candle was heading north big time, and that would have drawn a lot of traders in. Again, very typical place for them to place the stops would have been below the structure or below in here, and they've been creamed. So not only are those breakout traders at the top being creamed, not only have those pullback traders been creamed, the 61% fib traders into a little bit of structure have also been creamed. Net, the market's very long from last week. This looks like a pretty good place if we get a pullback to take a short. And if you'd like to come and join me in my brand new inner circle, guys, love to see you there. Click the link below. Take care.